So what we doing today, Bernie?
We'll run through the gears in our 1959 Chevy Bel Air 283 Power Pack manual transmission on the column, overdrive, and out back a 336 limited slip rear end. So enough yakking. Let's get rolling. For a moment, and now we're in second gear overdrive. If we want more power, we kick it out. Hit the big brakes. And we're in freewheeling, so I can just drop it into neutral, or into third, or back into second. And as we come up to the stop here, I can give it a really easy double clutch and into first.